In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bloom.seo to Notion using Zapier. This process will help streamline your tasks and improve the efficiency of data management across these platforms. First, let's dive in and get started by creating a Zap on Zapier. If you're new to Zapier, think of it as a user-friendly tool that automates tasks across different apps and services. To begin, you'll need to log into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up, which is quite straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see a vibrant orange button labeled Make a Zap. Click on this button to start crafting your automation. Now that you've initiated the process of creating a Zap, let's configure Bloom.io as your trigger app. This essentially means you're setting Bloom.io to initiate the action. In the Zap editor, enter Bloom.io in the search bar and select it when it pops up. Once chosen, you'll be prompted to select a trigger event. This is the specific thing that happens in Bloom.io, which will then cause an action in Notion. Take a look at your options and choose the event that matches your desired automation. For clarity, ensure you understand the nature of each trigger to select the one that fits your workflow. After setting this up, Zapier will ask for your Bloom.io account, for which you need to securely link the account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, ensuring all your credentials are entered accurately. Next, we'll configure your action app, which in this case is Notion. The action app is where the magic happens. It's the app where the result of your trigger will manifest. In the search bar under Action, type in Notion. Choose Notion when it appears. Now you need to select an action event. These are tasks like creating a new item or updating an existing one in your Notion setup. Based on your requirements, select the appropriate action. You might want, for instance, to create a new page or maybe append content to a table. Upon selection, it's time to grant access to your Notion account. Much like earlier, Zapier will prompt you to connect securely, guiding you through the steps to allow Zapier to perform actions on your behalf. Finally, with both the trigger and action apps configured, it's crucial to test your Zap. Testing ensures everything is linked correctly and working smoothly. Run through the test in the Zap editor by making sure your trigger initiates the action as intended. If everything checks out, it's time to turn on your Zap. You'll find an option to toggle the Zap from off to on. Do this and your automation is live. This connection will now routinely perform the tasks you've set, saving you time and manual effort. And there we have it, a seamless integration between Bloom.io and Notion using Zapier, enhancing your productivity with minimal hassle.